Hello everyone, and Happy New Year. This is Chris with Master CDP Studios coming at you with another quick tip video inside Studio One. Now, this video is a response to a comment that I received on my how to remove pitch bend events from a track inside Studio One. It's a video I did last year, and the person commented and said that even after they delete all the points, like I'm about to show you again, that even after they delete the points, there's still a line that runs through the modulation event window. So meaning that there's still value there and there's still modulation being applied to the track. So I'm going to show you exactly how you can fix that. I think I know exactly what he's talking about. So I'm going to delete all, I've highlighted all the points. So let me just highlight them again to show you. And then I hit delete, and now there's no more modulation being applied. As you can see, the value is set to 0. So there's no value. There's no modulation being applied to, or being applied to the track. And I think what he was referring to was that after he deletes it, that there's a line and the value is up at 1. It's up to 1, or where the line is placed. So that means there's still modulation being applied to the track. All you do is you can simply either hold down on the window like this, inside the edit window, and you can drag it all the way down. And that'll get rid of your modulation event. Same thing with the pitch. Now, the only difference with the pitch is if you're dragging above or below 0, you're actually you're lowering and raising the pitch. You're not getting rid of it. So what you have to do is you have to do exactly how I showed you with the modulation. You just have to delete it. And the same thing, it should set to 0. There should be no value. But if it does, if anything happens, you're just going to do the same thing. You're going to raise it, lower it, or whatever. You're going to go back to 0, and then that'll get rid of pitch or modulation events from the track. So I hope this helped you guys. I hope that everyone had a great new year. Look forward to more videos coming out over the next few weeks or so. Hopefully I can get time and make more videos on how to do certain functions or perform certain functions and some tips inside Studio One. So once again, I hope this helped. This is Chris with Master CDP Studios. Have a great day.